Welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's goody? Let's get it. Hi. How are you? I have not filmed a video in so long because I was going through the gigs. I saw this look off of Mmmmitchell's Instagram and I was like, dude, that's really pretty. I want to recreate that. So I did, and here I am. Let's just go. Let me stop talking and just go ahead and okay, this is awkward. We're done with this. All right, so I'm going in with the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna use the shade Escape, this purple one right here. Let me be beauty guru fast. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'll use this Lexi brush. This is not a Lexi brush. Oh, it is a Lexi brush. Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't even freaking prime my eyes. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're just going to use a random concealer. Okay, we're gonna use 2 random concealers. And then I'm going to blend that out with this fuzzy beauty blender that I got. Oh, my eyebrows are already done, if you couldn't tell. They're freaking banging, aren't they? Okay, now I'm going to take this purple shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to focus this just in my crease. I'm just using patting motions. I'm gonna blend out the edges just a teeny bit, just so whenever I add some pink, it will be a little easier to blend out. Now I'm gonna take the shade Skip right here and place this right on top of the purple. I'm gonna go back in with the purple and actually I'm not even gonna go in with more purple. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I used for the purple and just very, very lightly try and blend out just a teeny bit more. It just needs a little bit more blending. But I'm not trying to get rid of the pink, if that makes sense. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to use this brush. I don't really know what it is. And I'm gonna take this concealer. This is an Almay concealer. And I'm gonna do a little half cut of the crease here. Put some of this on the back of my hand. I'm gonna use a shade from this Tarte palette, the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette de Ormes de pas Poudrises. I'm gonna use the color from this palette. I'm gonna use the color Escape. Can you see that? I'm gonna use this color, okay? Whatever. It's like a pink champagne-y color. Oh yes, this is gonna be great. Now I'm gonna go back in the James Charles palette and use this shade right here called Hello. And I'm gonna put this right over yonder. I'm gonna use this one. I think this is called Cola. And I'm also going to put this right here on the edge, kind of blend in everything. Yes, sir. Coolio, we're looking good, I'm gonna go back in with that purple shade and I'm going to put some more on. But I'm gonna put more back here where I had that blue, just on the corners. Just to like blend everything out, I guess. I don't know. I feel like I have too much blue. So I'm going to add some more purple. All right, I took a little break. It got me a cute little Coke Zero. Put my lashes on and eyeliner. Bougie. Oh, you can't even read it. These are the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics straws. Okay, and I'm in love. We're just gonna go ahead and get on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna make this super fast because I feel like the face makeup really isn't that important. Okay, so let me take my hair down real fast so I can look cuter. All right, so that is the final look. And I dig it. It looks super pretty. I really like it. Pink and the purple with the hint of blue. I love it. I love it. All right, so that is the end of the video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to comment. Make sure to like. Do all that jazz. And that's about it. So yeah. All right. Peace out.